with y'all back again in another video. It's your boy Raw A Shop. I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. We're entering towards Christmas, and then after that it's gonna be 2023. So in 2023, I wanted to talk about how you can make money passively for 2023. So if you guys don't know, we talk about clothing brand, entrepreneur, stuff like that, and advice on how you can increase your wealth. So let's get right into it. So the first way to make money online, of course, you know, you can distribute your music through TuneCore and DistroKid if you guys are artists and stuff like that. The reason why I say this first, because I know I've been an artist on my main channel. You can go check it out, Raw Inc. For 6-7 years. I know a lot of information in the music industry, being an independent artist. So a good way to really make money online is to really put your music out for the public to see, and then you can sell your songs for like $10 on DistroKid or TuneCore, and then promote that song, promote it, really promote, put some advertisement on it, or you could do an organic post and really blow your song off a $10, you know, basically a $10, you know, like to put out your music and make millions of dollars. I heard there's an artist like Russ, he did that. He made millions off a $10 song. So you can do that too, as you know, as an artist. You can make some money off just off your work and talent like that. I made videos in the past about what equipment you need. So you guys want to check them videos out, you can check them videos out too. But another second way to make money online, of course, is writing books. Writing a book can be very, very lucrative and passive. If you guys got a story you can tell to the world that people will be interested in reading it. I know for me, I know I plan on writing books myself, so this is something that I know. I already been doing research that, you know, you can really make a lot of money selling books digitally on Amazon. Think about it like this: you put your book on Amazon, and you know what I'm saying, you write the book one time, and people are constantly, you can have people buying your book for years and years and years. That's passive income, guys. You know what I'm saying? That's what we all about. We want that. We want that money while you sleep. You know what I'm saying? That's what we want in 2023. We want to be, you know, entrepreneurs. So this is the route I chose, and I must say, like, I think this is the best route I honestly did in my whole career, just being an entrepreneur. So, you know what I mean? I hope you guys are motivated by being an entrepreneur too for 2023. Another way you can make money is making a YouTube channel like this. A YouTube channel, you can make passive income off your videos. You know what I'm saying? You definitely gotta put a lot of work in up front to make, you know, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hour watch time. But if you're passionate about just whatever you got going on, it's gonna be easy, because you're gonna just be in the flow with it. And then, you know, boom, you're gonna look up 1,000 subscribers, you know, the watch time. It's gonna happen if you just love what you're doing. So if you guys want to start a YouTube channel, you can start a YouTube channel and start making passive income. As soon as you get monetized and stuff like that, you'll start seeing in the dash, your analytics of how much money your videos can start making. There's YouTubers on here that I heard that they make like millions a year off YouTube. You know, that's just some inspiration for you guys to make money online. You know, making money in your sleep instead of going to these jobs that, you know, you're working 9 to 5 and then your body's tired and stuff like that. Like we not going for that for 2023, y'all. So yeah, another way to make money is basically you want to be able to sell something. Like you could sell like a digital course. You know, you can sell a digital course on information, because people are going to school for information, whether you realize it or not. When you go to school, you're going to school for information, right? If you got some information that's considered valuable, you can sell that in a course. You know what I mean? You can sell courses and stuff, you know, and make a lot of money if you sell your courses for $300. You know what I mean? I plan on probably selling courses. I'm not sure. I might do courses on music. You know what I mean? But I'm not sure. That's something in the future that I might do. But selling courses, definitely make some money online selling courses. And my last final tip for making money online, what y'all think? Selling merch, y'all. Selling merch like this hat and t-shirts. Selling t-shirts, selling merch. you could definitely make money online selling merch. All you have to do is have a brand name and a design. You can go on Fiverr and get you a design, start selling merch. You know, make sure it's a dope design, make sure the quality is good. You know what I mean? Make sure you got, you know, this drip, man. You know, people want that new drip. You know, people getting tired of wearing that Nike, Puma, and Adidas. You know what I mean? They've been around, and you know, we want some new drip, right? And that's where you come in, you start selling merch. Like, hey, I got some merch, boom, boom. If it's fly, people gonna buy your merch, and that's passive income. You can start making money in your sleep. So I'm hoping I'm giving y'all gems, man. All I ask in return is for y'all to like this video. Make sure y'all subscribe, drop comments, and my next video, I'm gonna catch y'all. Peace, raw ain't shot. Bow.